Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling USB debugging so the device accepts PC commands. Once done, install a reliable call export app like Call Log Backup and Restore from the Play Store. This app reads local call history and exports XML or CSV. Make sure to grant contacts and phone permissions when prompted, because without them, the app can't read call logs. Connect the phone to your computer in file transfer mode and open the app to start a new export. Choose CSV if you want spreadsheet-friendly output. Now you run the export and select the format and date range. CSV is best for spreadsheets, XML preserves richer fields. Tap Export and pick the destination, internal storage, an SD card, or cloud like Google Drive. Once the file is created, confirm its size and name so you can find it easily. If using USB, open the phone storage on your PC and copy the file. If using cloud, sign into the same account on your PC and download the export. Finish by importing the CSV into Excel or Google Sheets, or load XML into a contact management tool. Map fields like timestamp, number, duration, and type. Once imported, scan for gaps or misformatted timestamps, adjust column formats if needed. If you find missing calls, make sure the app had phone and contacts permissions, then re-export. If the device blocks access, toggle USB debugging off and on, restart both devices, and repeat. That typically resolves connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.